चल हो जा शुरू.
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे.
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार. विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी.
Alright, viewers, getting you some big updates coming in right now from Karnataka. A special court, remember, has issued a non-bailable warrant against former Chief Minister and BJP Parliamentary Board member B.S. Yediyurappa in the POCSO case. The latest coming in, it looks like that BSY is facing an arrest warrant and the BJP in the meanwhile is claiming conspiracy in the case. So that's a big update coming in on Republic TV, viewers. And this is as we keep getting you top updates on this story. Bengaluru court has issued a non-bailable arrest warrant against the former CM. I just want to go across the big reactions coming in as the BJP has called the entire case a conspiracy by the Karnataka government.
ವಾರಂಟ್ ಜಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಅವರಿಂದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ FSLಗೆ ಅವರು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, VIP ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನಂತರ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು. ಏಕಾಏಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ತಪ್ಪಾದರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ. ಏನೋ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ 17ನೇ ತಾರೀಕೇನೋ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಈಗ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕತೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಅದು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
A team on the ground spoke to the victims' counsel, and the counsel S. Balan was not only narrating the entire timeline of events to us, but also alleged that B.S. Yediyurappa tried to offer bribe to the victim and her mother. Listen in.
Now we are looking at the nitty-gritties. Today, the court has issued a non-bailable warrant against the former Chief Minister of Karnataka. So once the victim's mother passed away, there were many allegations that there was a conspiracy behind this as well. But finally, you filed a writ petition, and seems like the CID has waken up and suddenly approached the court as well, and a non-bailable warrant was issued. So what is there in your writ petition, and how do you see this non-bailable warrant which has been issued against, Yediyurappa?
See, the offences registered against him under POCSO Act Section 8 as well as 354A and B, these are all non-bailable, cognizable offence. So it's a serious matter. The victim statement was recorded by the magistrate under 164 subsection 5 of Criminal Procedure Code, wherein she said what has happened, what transcribed on that particular day. He held her hand, took her inside. When her mother wanted to accompany her, he restrained her, then he locked from inside. All those things she vividly narrated before the learned magistrate. It has lot of sanctity. Now the point is, warrant is issued. Yes, 3 months back the case was registered, and so far no attempt has been made to proceed with the investigation as required under Section 2H of Criminal Procedure Code, which includes his arrest, because arrest and custodial interrogation is a must in this nature of case, because his voice needs to be recorded to compare the voice recorded in the CCTV footage and the mobile phone. See, that day both mother and daughter were there. That was recorded in CCTV. They were conversating. That was also recorded. Then she comes out, she screams, all that were recorded. And it seems that he made an attempt to give some money to both mother and daughter also. But they
Who made these allegations that he offered money to the mother and the daughter?
Both mother also made this, and the daughter also sells. And the daughter, she is 17 years old. What grudge she has against this former chief minister who is aged about 82, 83 years?
Two questions to you. Very interesting to note is that it's going to be 3 months or 90 days, and the CID will have to file a charge sheet. It has not been done so, and therefore they have fastened the process. But there is only 2 more days remaining to go ahead and file the charge sheet.
Like that. Okay. Only if a person is arrested, the period of filing charge sheet is 60 days or 90 days.
Okay.
That is nothing to do with this.
Okay.
They can file charge sheet anytime, but the point is, see, where is the process of investigation? What the investigation officer should do? In a normal criminal case, he should investigate, which means draft part panchanama, what is the articles to be seized, that has to be seized. Now it is a digital era. All those digital materials should be recovered and subjected to FSL for authentication and hashing process.
Mr. Balan, did you try speaking to the CID and ask them as to what is the process through the legal means? And secondly, if you are going ahead and pointing out, what are the lacunae and the discrepancies that you are seeing during the course of the investigation by the CID?
So, see, I am not a state public prosecutor to question CID. I have no authority to question them. So, I cannot also ask them because they are officials. So, I can't intervene in their process. But what I see in this case, a serious issue connecting to a girl who aged about 17 years. It is national importance. It's a violence against the state, not against the individual. It is state's responsibility to protect, see, this young girl. So, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, Nari Shakti, that is the slogan of this government. Then this small girl, why should she face this?
What is your prayer with the High Court of Karnataka pertaining to this case?
Is, as per law, number one, let them disclose the status of the case. Whether they have seized all digital materials available like tower dump, CDR, call detail records, then CCTV footage, whether his sample was taken and subjected to the FSL opinion, whether any attempt is made to collect DNA material and send it to FSL. So whether all these things are done or not, that has to be disclosed to the court. And the victim's family has every right to know about it. So we wanted a fair investigation, then the culprit should be arrested, whomsoever he may be, a former chief minister or anybody else. But everyone is same before law. It's equality before law, equal protection of law. Law is great and the courts are great. This nation, the court and the law still exist. It is the rule of law that should prevail. Therefore, we have no other option other than approaching the Honorable High Court, invoking its extraordinary writ jurisdiction.
Do you think that at this point of time his arrest is imminent? Because the CID says they're searching for him. They have not been able to trace him at this point of time, is what they're saying.
See, investigating agency, intelligence agency, law, we have enough infrastructure. Our country is not less than any other country. If they have a mind to arrest, it is possible to arrest.